In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send updates to your team in Monday.com, fast and easy. Monday.com is a fantastic tool for managing tasks and collaborating with your team. It allows you to keep track of what's going on and ensures everyone is on the same page. So if you're looking to communicate effectively with your team, here's how you can send updates efficiently. First, you'll want to open the item you need to update. This is a straightforward step, but it's crucial as it sets the stage for all the subsequent actions. Once you locate the specific item on your board, simply click on it to open it up. This item could represent a task, project milestone, or any other work element that you and your team are tracking. Opening the item is like opening a conversation about a specific aspect of your work, so make sure you have the correct one. Next, focus on the Updates section. This section is essentially where all the communication magic happens. Once you've opened your item, look for the Updates tab, usually nested within the item's details. Clicking on Updates is akin to opening a dedicated chat space centered around your task or project item. This section helps maintain a threaded conversation, providing a clear and organized way to view discussions specific to each item. Now it's time to type your message. In this area, you can share updates, ask questions, or clarify details. It's a fantastic opportunity to be detailed and specific. Remember to keep your message clear and concise, but don't shy away from providing essential context that your team members might need. If you have any related files, such as documents, images, or presentations that will help your team understand the update better, make use of the attachment feature. Adding these files directly to your message can be invaluable, as it brings all necessary information into one place for easy reference. After ensuring that your message reads well and any vital documents are attached, you'll want to click the Update button. This is the final step that sends out your update to notify the team. The beauty of clicking this button is that it prompts Monday.com to instantly notify all relevant team members. It ensures that everyone gets the information they need promptly and can react or contribute as soon as possible. And just like that, you've effortlessly sent an update to your team on Monday.com. The combination of seamless communication and organized task management helps keep productivity flowing smoothly, facilitating effective collaboration. So whenever you're managing a project or a team, remember that Monday.com is your ally in ensuring everyone stays informed and aligned. Happy updating, and see you in the next video.